Come on. A process of replacing a junior high-efficiency filter. First, wear a mask and gloves. Then, there are clips inside the filter. Bend them apart. Then take out the filter. This is a primary filter. Then take the medium efficiency filter. Then put the medium efficiency filter. It's best to put the bag upright. Don't put it horizontally. Put it in vertically. Pull the bags open. Plate type, it is divided into the air surface and the air surface. The air inlet side should be inside. The wind outlet is placed outside. Then clip the clip on.